altered the layout of the oil and drainage pipeline networks. They say the oil spill was caused by pipeline management and negligence. The accident was made worse because of the slow emergency response, mainly cordoning off the danger zone and evacuation. Investigators say a thorough investigation continues. At this meeting, Sinopec Corporation's president, Li Qingdao, made an apology over the explosion and vowed to find out the cause. He said he felt greatly grieved to see the huge losses of life and property. He said Sinopec would cooperate with the investigation team dispatched by the State Council to try its best to control the impact of the blast. And earlier we spoke to our reporter Han Peng, who was at the scene of the accident. He had been at the news conference held by the State Council investigation team. The head of the team, Dongliang, said both the local government and the companies involved are to be held responsible for the accident.
The leader of this investigation group, Mr. Dongliang, says this is a very serious work safety accident, and he says both related companies as well as the local authorities should take responsibility for that. And also he says that it reflects this strong blast in Qingdao reflects at least two big problems. Firstly, the oil pipelines are located so close to the water pipeline in the city. This is already a very big risk, but there was no change and there was no rectification at all. This shows that Sinopec was not taking the work safety issue very seriously. And secondly, it shows that there was no evacuation or information to nearby residents before the explosion, because it was 7 hours before the final explosion when the oil had already begun leaking and is already getting risky, but there was no evacuation for nearby residents at all, and that finally caused such a huge death toll. And Mr. Yang said that this shows that both the companies as well as the local authorities should take responsibility for this. And now further investigation is still underway, and they will publish the report after the investigation has been carried out and the result has reached.